You can hear the songbirds singing, and you watch the clouds roll by. Then you're walking in the valley as the sun shines in a clear blue sky. You're welcoming your loved ones, and you can't believe your eyes. Yes, this earthly paradise was just around the corner. There's a house down in the valley, and a house high on the hill. There is singing by the river as the water flows and turns the mill. The golden fields are waiting, let the harvesting begin. Once the world we're living in was just around the corner. It's great to share with friends who care the things that we looked forward to. Now every tear has disappeared. The world is young and life is new. There's the sound of happy voices and the scent of new mown hay. Now you're calling to your loved ones as you start another perfect day. Then we thank our God Jehovah for his tender loving care. Yes, the blessings we all share were just around the corner. And every day smile and say how good to see your happy face. 'Cause once it seemed I only dreamed that you'd be in my warm embrace. Waiting round the corner is a world I long to see. It's a promise from Jehovah, it's a guaranteed reality. And it's hard to get downhearted when I think of what's in store. It's the day I'm waiting for, and it's just around the corner.
To cherish and to train. Those years are past and gone so fast. Now we rejoice to see his choice, to know our work was not in vain. It's hard letting go, yet in my heart I know the safest place that he can be is in your loving hands for now and all eternity. In all the years to come, I know my heart will be at rest. I give to you what you deserve. I give to you my very best.
You gave us a girl, a gift to nurture and to love. Through all the years, through joy and tears, our precious one has now become the woman we are so proud of. It's
This is hippo.
in all eternity. In all the years to come, I know my heart will be at rest. I give to you what you deserve. I give to you my very best.
Daddy. What's your surname? Only 3 seconds.
I think
Like that. Yeah.
Take a moment now and picture the scene. Up ahead on the path are what seem to be children laughing at play. In a world free of the fears we once faced, and taking care of this beautiful earth are a people that live by our Father's words until the moon is no more. There is the peace we have been waiting for. We will feel His love under the rule of His Son in the new world to come. Hope is a fire in our hearts. Hope is an anchor that holds us firm. Hope is a light that shines like the sun as we see ourselves there in the new world to come. Take a moment now and think of our place by the mountains and rivers or wide open plains. It's a place to call home. And now walking in through your front door, there is someone that you know, holding out his open arms in hopes of a tearful embrace. Feels like forever since you've been face to face. Even death won't stop our God's outstretched love in the new world to come. Hope is a fire in our hearts. Hope is an anchor that holds us firm. Hope is a light that shines like the sun as we see ourselves there in the new world to come. And every word from His mouth,
Every word from His mouth
will do all for which He sent it out. Jehovah's will for this earth
Jehovah's will
is
for this earth,
fulfilling every living thing's last wish.
Oh.
Hope is a fire in our hearts. Hope is an anchor that holds us firm. Hope is a light that shines like the sun as we see ourselves there in the new world to come.
to come,
New world to come. In the new world to come.
Morning.
Look around us now, see the love on each face. Out there in the world, hard to find. All these faithful friends with the love they all show. Glad to leave that old world behind. Love never fails, that's promised. It always will endure. Love, unfailing love, that's what Jehovah gives. That's what He is. Love, unfailing love, that's what we need to live. And the love here today in our heart, may it stay. Unfailing love. Though sometimes it seems like the cares of this life weigh us down and feel hard to bear. Giving brings us joy when we share faith and hope, comforted by God's loving care. Love will remain, that's promised. It always will endure. Love, unfailing love, that's what Jehovah gives. That's what He is. Love, unfailing love, that's what we need to live. And the love here today in our heart, may it stay. Love, unfailing love, that's what Jehovah